Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you. Haha! I know the last one and this one are rather close together, but if you watched the last video, you know that that one arrived so late. This is actually kind of on time. They give me a time frame between, this and that day, and it actually arrived on the first day. So kudos to them. Let's just see what's inside. I also don't have any makeup on, and I'm fresh out of the shower, so if there are some products in that I could test out right now, I might apply them. We'll see. Oh no, not again. Yeah. So if anyone wants a 32-pound wine voucher, so anyways, the box is red. Super excited. I can't open it. Seriously? Okay. There's a pamphlet. Yes. Give into temptation, and then temptation is cursive. Okay, okay. Oh, something smells rough. Something smells like a doctor's office, with all the hand sanitizer thing. Oh my, it's very pink. Can you see? The Chorus Night Brightening Sleeping Facial Super C, and supposed to brighten and plump. Apply to the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. This is worth $14.50. Oh, this leaflet does not make sense. Usually you have an explanation how to use and blah blah. There's nothing there. It has the brand, what it is, how much it's worth, and then love it. Buy the full size here. A QR code. I mean, there's a bit of a scent coming through, and it smells really nice. Very refreshing. It's not the one that smells like a doctor's office. This is the first item. Second item is this Ria Paradox Moisture Conditioner with argan oil for supreme hydration. I don't like these type of tubes. They're hard to squeeze out, and especially in the shower, when your hands are wet and you can barely get any product out in the first place. But I will definitely try that one out. This is also, yeah, this is sealed. So this is worth $10.50. So it's 90% plastic free, 99% natural, it's vegan and cruelty free. After shampooing, apply to wet hair and rinse. Just like you would use any normal conditioner. Oh, there are actually 8 products in here that you can get, but you only get 6. Which one did I not get? You could have gotten a candle. You could have gotten a candle from Witch-Wolf. The Witch-Wolf Sakura. And I don't think I got the ISO Clean Makeup Sponge Cleanser. Okay, so next up is the Magnetone Wipeout Swipes Eco-Friendly Microfiber Makeup Removal Pads. So, I will open them up. I will not use them. I will probably give them away. Oh, we had these before. We had the exact same ones before. So I'll put them back in here. I will give them to someone, or put it onto the public bookshelf, whatever. I have so many of these. They are nice, but I have so many of these. So these are worth £8. That's it. That's all I can tell you. They actually do work. Before I bought my microfiber towels, I didn't think that just water would remove makeup, but it does. Okay, so up next, you either get the ISO Clean Makeup Brush Cleanser, or you get the Makeup Sponge Cleanser, and I got the Brush Cleanser. Good, because I don't use sponges. So let's see what this smells like. Oh, that is the thing that smells like doctor. Oh my goodness. I've never had a professional makeup cleanser before, a makeup brush cleanser before, so I have some dirty brushes here. We will try it out. This one from the Blue Moon Shadow from Luffy Cosmetics. Oh wow, that was rough. Like I said, I don't know how to use that. So do I just spray it onto the towel? I would probably use my microfiber towels for this, but I don't have it here, so. Oh my god, that smells bad. Oh. Okay. It's almost clean already. Okay. I'm gonna just spray it onto the brush itself. It does not smell good. Like, it's not fully coming out. It's still on. Maybe that's also the... Oh my god, that smells so bad. Maybe it's also the shadow that's just so intense. I feel like this is taking much longer than it would take to wash it with normal soap. I mean, I don't know about you, but it's taking a long time. One more time. It's probably still coming off. Oh, yeah, it is. Wow, I don't like this. Now I've used it and I have to continue to use it. Okay, now it's clean. It's still a bit blue, but it's, you know, it's clean to the point where I would use it. Not really a fan. Like, no. I mean, look how much I've used already. That was one brush. Yeah. So moving on, we have the Luffy Cosmetics, which is a nice brand. I have a palette from them, which I will do a how will this perform on in 2 years probably. So we have a highlight. This is the, I don't know, it doesn't have a name. 100% vegan and cruelty-free, high performance pigmentation, safe packaging for a better environment. This is what it looks like. It's like a champagne. Whoa! Ta-da! It looks nice. That actually looks very beautiful. But what is the shade of this? Maybe they only have one highlighter. That could also be it. I just dropped it. Oh my god. Is it still intact? I broke off it a little bit. Oh no. It's beautiful. But definitely not the highlighter for me. It is so golden. Right? It's too dark for my face. So I will probably use this as an eyeshadow. Close it like this. I have some washi tape here. I will just close it up and then put it into my drawer and then use it as a highlight, another highlighter, as a eyeshadow. It's very beautiful. It's not as blinding. Oh, I mean, it is, but it's not for me. Okay, so then last but not least, you know how I said you could have gotten a candle. You either get the candle or you get the room spray. Oh, let's see. This is the Wishful of Sakura Rice Milk and Cherry Blossom Home Perfume. Wow, that was a lot. Oh. Oh my god, that smells so good. My god, that smells amazing. Oh, this is so nice. You know, especially after this. Oh, that smells so fresh. You know, like freshly washed linen. Oh, this is nice. This is my favorite product out of all the things. It's a bit sad, but wow. Okay, so that was everything that was in the box. Then we have Holiday 101, how to use and where to put it. 5 benefits of using home scents. Then we have rose oil, what it is and what it does. There's an ad. Then what's coming up? The sneak peek for November. We have the Avon Perfecting Collagen Primer and the Color Wow Dream Coat 50 ml. It's like a supernatural spray. Magically transforms texture, amazing humidity proving powers. Oh, I have used the products. Why do I always forget this? I don't know. Ta-da! I will just do all of them. So we have the Visible What Spot Dots. What spot? Dots? I don't know. This is hard for me to say because I'm not the native English speaker. These were like pimple patches. What do you call that? Like stickers that you put onto your skin so that the pimples will disappear quicker. They do absolutely nothing. Nothing. Like the pimple was just as big and as inflamed as before, even if I left it on the whole night. Yeah, I cannot recommend it. This one, I finally used this one of this. Oh god, the writing is all off. The Ciate London Matchmaker Blush. It's all empty. Oh. There's still a tiny bit left. Well, you can't even see it anymore. Like it's empty. All this is pan. This was so beautiful. Like it had the perfect mixture of pigmentation and shine, so you could use it as both a blush and highlighter. I really enjoyed this. I can recommend it. Oh, this one. Oh, the Gatineau Radiance Enhancing Enzymatic Gommage. Like gommage is like a paste. Anyways, this, oh my god, you have to apply it on dry skin and then it turns into a liquid, which I think is absolutely fascinating. You know, like a thick paste turning into a liquid that almost feels like water. And just activated by, you know, like your touch. Amazing. This makes your skin so red. Like it truly activates whatever is going on there, like the whole blood flow and taking off dead skin cells. I love this. This was amazing. It didn't hurt, it didn't sting, it just really got red. But on that, wow, the rhyme. I liked it. And then we have this here, the Medic 8 Hydrate B5 Intense Hyaluronic Acid with NMF Replenish and Boost. Honestly, I don't remember using this. I use this as a serum and that's it. I don't remember seeing any amazing results. My skin didn't look any different. You know, I didn't have any pimples and I did not have the most amazing skin ever. So it was okay, I guess. Like I said, I seriously don't remember. And then last but not least, last product I have used is the Sasha Juan Volume Shampoo. First off, it smelled really amazing. Like really summery. Love it. This kind of made my scalp and hair, because you know I only use shampoo on my scalp. I don't really shampoo the rest of my hair because when I wash it out it gets, anyways, long story short, it made my hair really dry to the point where it was squeaky clean. You know that feeling when your hair actually squeaks? Some people might like that. I don't know if it's necessarily good for your scalp and hair. I don't like the feeling because like my hair was super dry and my scalp was itchy. So did it give me volume? Not that I remember, so I would not recommend it. So anyways, that was everything that was in the box. You have my reviews as well. Let me know what you like most. I love the room spray. It still smells so good. This is what I'm most disappointed about, and this too, because we had the exact same ones before. And this is just not working. Maybe, like I said, maybe it's the eyeshadow that was just a bit too pigmented and too dark and whatever. Not for it. This I will give away. The highlighter is not really a highlighter for me, it's a shadow. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video anyways. Give me a thumbs up if you did, subscribe to my channel already, and see you next one.